Professor Darren Shafran from the University of Newcastle is at the forefront of immunotherapy research in Australia. Immunotherapies are part of an exciting new cohort of cancer treatments which use viruses to create an immune response against cancerous tissues. Professor Shafran developed the novel cancer-busting drug Cavitac, which is a genetically unmodified formulation of the common cold virus that is currently under development.
Back in the late 1990s, and we were really looking at how to prevent virus infections in people, common cold infections, more so than using the virus to target cancer. And it was really during our initial experimentations that we found that by chance this particular common cold virus we were working on had a great capacity to replicate and kill a wide variety of cancer cells, in particular melanoma.
He also worked with the University of Newcastle to form the biotechnology company Viralytics to advance this research.
And prove pretty quickly that we had a virus that could kill particularly human melanoma cells. And based on that, we started to get into small animal studies and get a body of evidence that really gave us some belief that we may actually have a candidate that may have some clinical activity.
Working from state-of-the-art laboratories at the Hunter Medical Research Institute, Professor Shafran has led multiple clinical trials for Cavitac in Australia and the United States.
So the advancements in the science was really to understand the mode of action and to see how this type of therapy fits in the current landscape. Being far removed from traditional type of chemotherapy, radiation and surgery, there's a great renaissance in immunotherapy, and I think that as the doctors say, Cavitac is another arrow in the quiver of doctors to actually have a look at treating patients, and believe that this potentially sets a landscape for combinations with other immunotherapies and really giving patients the option of having more of a therapy based on stimulating the patient's own immune system to give more of a long-lasting response, more so than some of the blunter instruments as chemotherapy and some of the surgery, etc.
Based on this success, in 2015, MSD Australia, a subsidiary of the global pharmaceutical giant Merck & Co., entered into a formal collaboration agreement with Viralytics. In June this year, MSD acquired Viralytics for over $500 million in one of the largest biotech acquisitions in Australian history. Professor Shafran and the Viralytics team are now working with MSD and Merck to advance additional clinical trials with a view to developing Cavitac into a commercial product. Viralytics and the partnership with the University of Newcastle and the Hunter Medical Research Institute has played a vital role in the development of Australian medical technology to address a global health challenge.
So I think it's really been a great vindication of everybody's work, and not just for the Viralytics team, but also the team at the University of Newcastle and Hunter Medical Research, and really hopefully reinforces the support and gives thanks to the local community that have been right behind this from day one. And to have the award back in Newcastle is a great feat.